Do you know that feeling? You really want to buy a new bike, but you're not really sure if you know enough about it? Well, worry not, because today we're answering your most frequently asked questions on the Ducati Scrambler Cafe Racer. Number 1. Is it fast? Yes. Number 2. Is it cool? No. Number 3. Is it a good commute? No. Number 4. Is it safe? Sure. Number 5. Does it get you chicks?
Why do you like your motorbike more than me? Your motorbike is the first love, your computer is the second love, your stupid camera is the third love, burger is the fourth love, fifth love is the cheese.
Sadly, no. There you go. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions you've ever wanted to ask about this bike, just write them in the comments section below. Donnie Desmo, out. Do you know that feeling? You really want to buy a bike, but you're not really sure? Oh, fuck this. If you have any questions you've always wanted to ask about this bike, just write them in the comments below. There you go.
Oh, yes, it is your first love, and what was it? The burger is the fourth love, the chips is the fifth love, the second
What?
something biting.